Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, October 18th, 2016. Over the next few days, we are not expecting any significant fire potential impacts. We will see cool weather across the north on Tuesday with warming and drying Wednesday through the end of the week. Over the past 24 hours, there was some light precipitation across the north, with no lightning across the area. As far as fire activity, there are a few fires across the Great Basin, more than we would expect for the time of year. Over the past 7 days, there's been quite a bit of precipitation across the north. You can see from the image here on the left, it's been quite wet across the north with much drier conditions across the south. Looking back over the past 30 days, you see that there has been a fair amount of precipitation across southeastern Utah, but southern Nevada is still quite dry, even looking back over the past 30 days. As far as ERCs, as you would expect, the majority of the stations are reporting ERCs below the 50th percentile. However, there are a few stations across the south in that 50th to 69th percentile range. The water vapor satellite shows a disturbance moving into the northern part of the Great Basin, and that will bring the showery, cooler weather that we are expecting today. The 500 millibar chart also shows this moisture across the northern part of the area. So today we are expecting showers and some cooler weather, mainly across the north. Looking in a little more detail, you can see the high relative humidities forecast for this afternoon across the north. There will also be some gusty winds across portions of the area, though these will for the most part occur in areas that have high relative humidity. Moving into Wednesday, that system will make its way to our east, and we'll start to see high pressure building over the Great Basin. With this high pressure building, we will see drying across the south. You can see these lower relative humidities forecast across the south for Wednesday, and winds will decrease as well. Moving into Thursday, that dryness will remain in place. We'll continue to see warming conditions with really light winds on Thursday. So over the next 3 days, we will see some precipitation across the northern part of the Great Basin, and this will mainly occur today. Moving into Friday, there will be a continuation of that warmer, drier weather. This is largely the case on Saturday, and on Sunday we start to see moisture increase across the area. And by Monday, there could be a much more significant increase in moisture across the Great Basin. So looking at the 7-day precipitation accumulations, really this looks a lot like our 3-day map, which tells us that most of our precipitation will occur in the next 3 days and really today. Finally, looking at the 8 to 14-day outlook, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the western part of the area, above normal temperatures across the eastern part of the Great Basin, and above normal temperatures across the entire area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.